So one of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to detailing cars is when I see car carpets that look just like this. This carpet gets ruined if you don't have floor mats. That's why floor mats are so important. So that is why I'm teaming up today with 3W Liners for their custom fit, custom cut floor mats that are that rubber finish. They don't get that hard plasticky type feel like some other brands. They're extremely durable and they fit flawlessly.
3W offers premium floor mats for the Ford F250, Bronco, F150 Super Crew, and other pickup models.
Not only are they super durable, but when it comes to cleaning floor mats, especially rubber ones, all you gotta do is pick them up carefully so no dirt falls on your carpets, shake them off, and then rinse them off with a hose. Makes life so much simpler as a detailer or as a car enthusiast.
Now, because of the design of this floor mat, it helps prevent dirt from slipping underneath them and also helps keep your car clean longer. From September 9th to September 30th, 3W is celebrating their brand day. Order through the link down below and you'll get up to 35% off on the official website and up to $50 off on Amazon. Leave your car model in the comments down below and tag 3W Liners for a chance to win a surprise gift like a free set of floor mats. So don't miss out on these limited time offers, and let's go ahead and get back to the detail.